Hello friends, welcome to Top 10 Lifestyle. Today I will tell you about 5 turmeric powder benefits for skin and how you can make turmeric face mask deal to lighten skin. So, keep watching till end. If you are new to our channel, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you will get notified for new health and lifestyle videos. Before I share you the turmeric face mask deal, let me tell you some turmeric benefits. Turmeric is high in antioxidants that slow down cell damage. It's widely used as a skin exfoliant and improves skin's texture. It helps with inflammatory skin conditions such as acne, dry skin, psoriasis and eczema. It helps reduce pigmentation and even out the skin tone. It is also said to diminish wrinkles. Now let's make a turmeric face mask deal for lighten skin. What you need to make your own turmeric face mask: 1. Mix flour. 2. Turmeric powder. 3. Honey and milk to make a paste. Take 2 tablespoons of flour. You can use regular flour, rice flour or ground oats if your skin is dry. 1 teaspoon turmeric. 3 tablespoons milk. You can also use yogurt to fight acne. A few drops of honey. Apply a thin layer to your face and let it dry for 20 minutes. After that, rinse off in the shower, scrubbing gently to remove. At the end, you can apply your favorite moisturizer. Hope you find this turmeric face mask video very helpful. Like it and share it with your friends on Facebook and WhatsApp. And finally, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.